Okay, let's go, boys. So, yo guys, how's going on? Today I'm gonna make a tutorial how to make this effect right here. So this is what you have to do. First, you have to duplicate the clip that you wanted, like do that effect, of course. Command or Control C and then V, and then just mask it. Mask however you want. I'm just gonna okay, so if you're done masking it, just go here, masks, and make sure to feather it a bit, just like a bit. And then when you finish doing that, right, you make a slide up or down, up to you. I'm gonna slide it down, or you can do whatever you want. You can slide it to the left or right or up and down. I'm just gonna make like a huge slide. So you press P to pop out your position, and then go to the part when you want it in the middle, you know, when it's at the middle, and then go one behind, and then go when you want to end it. Simple as that. And do the multiple dimensions, and then do your slide down or up. So expose it. Oh, okay, make sure you do this on the bottom layer. Okay, now that that's done, so if you have for some reason that you know, that problem when the video actually changes, you have to key your mask. So you have to mask your paths. I guess so. This should be, that should do it, I guess. Well, you can perfect it, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and also share this, because share to other people. This effect is pretty cool. No, why not? Yeah, see you next video. Peace.
Never come.